Hello everyone, how are you all? Please let me know, am I audible to all of you? Hi everyone. Sorry for the delay, 1 or 2 minutes. Please let me know, am I audible to all of you? Hi everyone. Yes, chalo. Nice. So, hi, this is CA Rohit Grover. This is your CA final auditing faculty. And I welcome you all to the Unacademy Live CA Final, a YouTube channel. Do subscribe it if you like the video. And yes, so today we are going to discuss about the tax audit. I know that one class is not sufficient for the tax audit, but at the end of the day, I got the limited number of classes only for the particular topic. So I have requested the Unacademy authorities. They are going to allot me 2 to 3 extra YouTube classes which I can take. So even if we are not able to complete the tax audit right now in this particular class, obviously it is not possible to complete it, then in that case we'll continue once the other schedule of mine will be completed. Then after that again I will take 2 to 3 sessions extra for you people for completing the tax audit. I know that everyone is worried about the tax audit. There are so many provisions relating to the tax audit which definitely has to come in the examination. So I will try my level best to complete each and every provision. So today one lecture, and after 25th when my normal schedule with the Unacademy will be over, I'll be again taking regularly 3 extra classes on the YouTube, and that I have requested. My request is under the process. So once they will give me the clearance, then in that case we'll be proceeding with the tax audit again. So I will make sure that all the requests given by you people will be taken care of, right? I will try my level best to ensure that everything will be completed when it comes to the auditing. Okay, sir? So I hope you all of you understood what I'm trying to tell. Yes, everyone. So we will go little bit in detail. We will go little bit in detail because we know that in the tax audit anything can happen. Anything, any kind of topic they may ask you in the examination. Now the resounding is coming. Please let me know, Vinita, is the resounding coming now? Yes, so don't worry, your total tax audit I will take care of. And after the 25th, I will again take the tax audit part 2 session, because up to 25th, the schedule is already being given to the Unacademy platform. So I didn't realize at that point of time that I'm keeping only one day for the tax audit, but don't worry, I will take it further. I will take 2 to 3 sessions extra for the tax audit for the convenience of the students. So everyone, please write crystal clear if you are able to see my, yeah, quality review. Vinita, we are going to take tomorrow. I have already posted my special live class for tomorrow. Quality review we are going to take tomorrow on the Unacademy app. So I would like every one of you to come to the Unacademy app tomorrow 5:30. So there we'll take the quality review topic. Peer review is already over. Okay. So if I'm audible and clear, so let us start with the total tax audit. So on the right side, I have opened the institute material. On the right side, I have opened the institute material relating to your tax audit. And on the left side, I have opened my own material, which I generally provide to my students. So I thought that key integration of the both things are required to make sure that this topic should go inside your head. So let us start with that thing. So you all know that tax audit is covered under the Income Tax Act 1961. When the tax audit is compulsory, tax audit becomes compulsory when your turnover breaches the level of 100 crores, 100 lakhs, and when your gross receipt breaches the level of 50 lakhs. So when your turnover is more than 100 lakhs and when your gross turnover is more than professional turnover is more than 50 lakhs, then in that case, so turnover provision, what is a turnover provision? So turnover provision, it is more than 1 crore, and gross professional receipts, if it is more than 50 lakhs, then you all know that tax audit becomes what? Compulsory. Right everyone? Right everyone? Crystal clear? Okay. Then if you are doing the businesses under the 44 AE, 44 BB, 44 triple B, then in that cases you can, if that is called nothing but the presumptive income. If you are doing the businesses under that things, then in that case you can declare the presumptive income. And remember, when you're declaring the presumptive income, what do you mean by presumptive income? You are declaring at the rate of 8%, and whatever the percentage has been specified by the income tax, then in that case tax audit under section 44AB is not required. So if you are declaring the presumptive income under 44AE, 44AD or BB or BBB, then tax audit under section 44AB is not required. Are you getting the point? So that is what the provision I wanted to tell you. Okay, so with this our point number 1, 2 and 3 all are over, right or not? But remember one thing, there is one new thing you have to understand. Under section 44AD, your maximum income, if your income is crossing 2 crore rupees, then presumptive income topic will not be available to you. Then in that case you have to get your books of accounts audited under section 44AB. So remember, under section 44AD, maximum income, if your income breaches a level of 2 crores, so you can see that up to 2 crores, 44AD benefit you can take, but more than 2 crores 44AD benefit you can't take. Everyone crystal clear? Please write in the chat box. Everyone crystal clear? Please write in the chat box. Yes. So who will do the tax audit? The tax audit will also be done by the chartered accountant as specified under section 2 of the CA Act, holding a valid certificate of practice. Everyone clear? Okay, so that is how the audit of the tax will be conducted. Then what is the specified date for filing the tax audit report? The specified date for filing the tax audit report, we all know, is 30th September, on or before 30th September, until unless it has been postponed by the income tax department. Everyone clear? Good evening, Ratna Kumari. Hello everyone. Okay, so there are some 1 or 2 questions I would like to discuss with you in the class itself only. That's why I opened the ICAI material on the right side. Next one, please tell me, what are the forms for the tax audit report? Everyone please tell me when the 3 CA is required and when the 3 CB is required. 3 CD is common. 3 CD is common for all the entities. When the 3 CA is required and when the 3 CB is required. Everyone please write the answer in the chat box. Please write the answer in the chat box. When the 3 CA is required, when the 3 CB is required. Write in the chat box. When the 3 CA and when the 3 CB is required. Please let me know. Yes, if you are getting audited under any other law, then 3 CA is required. If you are not getting audited under any other law, then 3 CB is required. Again repeating, if you are getting audited under any other law, then 3 CA is required. If you are not getting audited under any other law, then 3 CB is required. 3 CD is going to be along with the 3 CA as well as the 3 CB. Everyone clear? Yes. So this is what the topic which is given in front of you. Yes. Next one. Okay. Acha, tell me one thing. Suppose there is a cooperative society. Everyone. Suppose there is a cooperative society. Cooperative society already got it audit done under Cooperative Societies Act 1912. Whether it has to carry out a tax audit separately? Please give me the answer, everyone. There is a cooperative society already carried out the audit under the Cooperative Society Act 1912. Whether this cooperative society has to carry out its audit separately? I need an answer, everyone. Quickly, give me the answer. No. In this case, no. Audit is not required. Very well, Divya. Your answer is very much correct. So, no audit is required if you have already got the audit done under any other law. So, that is what is written in this point. Right? So, this paragraph is also over. Next point. Can a tax audit be conducted for a period other than financial year? Answer is no. Tax audit is always conducted for a financial year. If your accounting year is different from the financial year, then tax audit will be conducted for financial year. It will never be conducted for the accounting year. Everyone is crystal clear? So tax audit is never conducted for any other year. It is only conducted for financial year, everyone. Clear, everyone? So I'm trying my level best to cover each and everything. And those who are joining right now, don't worry. I'm going to take 2 separate sessions extra on the tax audit. One session today one session today and 2 sessions after the 25th October on the YouTube only. Don't worry at all. I will keep my promise and I will make sure that the whole tax audit will be going inside your head. Clear, everyone? Say yes if you want me to take 2 extra sessions on the tax audit for your examination purpose. Now little bit enough time we have, so we can do this thing tax audit in detail, because we know that there's a must question, right everyone? So 2 more sessions I will take, but that will be after 25th October, because before 25th October my schedule is already posted with the Unacademy. After 25th October 2 to 3 sessions extra I'll take, and whatever the extra topics you want me to revise, please keep on writing in the chat box. I will take extra classes to make sure that you will be all ready with the auditing. Okay, assessee carrying the presumptive income business and other business tax audit limits, how will be determined? If you're conducting the presumptive income business and you are doing the other business also, then tax audit, how it will be carried out? For the presumptive business, if you are declaring the 8%, then in that case no tax audit under 44 AB is required. In the other business, if your gross turnover is more than 100 lakhs, then your tax audit is required. Clear everyone? This is what the answer for this question. Yeah. I will discuss the GST audit also. Don't worry, Ayush. I will discuss the GST audit also. That's my promise. That's why 3 extra classes I have demanded from the Unacademy. So they are ready to give me, but after 25th October, because the other faculty schedules are also packed with them. I hope all of you will support me in that. If you support me, give me the thumbs up. Yeah. Investigation and forensic audit also I'll take. Don't worry at all. I need the support of everyone. That's it. Give me the thumbs up if you support me in taking the later on. Okay. So why? Because everyone's schedule is packed up to 25th October. After 25th October, we'll be relaxing, and every day 1 hour, 2 hours, I will be taking the class. I don't have any other sessions from 25th October onwards. Even YouTube session I can take for 2 hours also. Okay. Chalo, everyone, let's carry out. Assessee carrying out a profession as well as a business. Tell me one thing. If the assessee is carrying out a profession as well as a business, then in that case, suppose my professional receipts are 51 lakhs and my gross turnover from the business is 72 lakhs. I'm carrying 2 businesses. One is professional business, one is my normal business. Professional receipts are 51 lakhs, gross turnover is 72 lakhs. Do I have to get it audited under 44 AB? I need an answer. Do I have to get audited under section 44 AB, or it will be taken as combined? Now tell me, in this question 44 AB is applicable or not applicable? My professional turnover is 51 lakhs, my gross turnover is 72 lakhs. Yes, audit is required. If my professional turnover is 21 lakhs and gross turnover is 77 lakhs, now tell me, professional turnover is 21 lakhs and gross turnover is 77 lakhs. Required or not required? Not required. Clear everyone? So remember one thing, the total should be exceeding more than what? 50 lakhs. So look at this question. Okay, everyone, next question. If the assessee has been exempted from the tax audit but has a turnover of more than 100 crores, does he require to get his tax audit done? Tell me, if the assessee has been exempted under tax audit but his turnover is more than 100 crore, does he require to get his audited? Does he require to get his books of accounts audited? In such case, it is completely out of the box thinking of the Income Tax Act. In such case, what is being written, that such cases may cover the assessees who are wholly outside the preview of income tax law, as well as those income tax otherwise exempt under the Act. Section 44 AB of any provision of the Act stipulate exemption from the compulsory tax audit to any person whose income is exempted from tax. This section makes it mandatory every person carrying on the business or profession to get its accounts audited, whether conditions laid down in the section are satisfied, and to furnish the audit report to such form in audit report. So I already told you about this thing. Suppose if the cooperative society has already got its audit done under the Cooperative Society Act 1912, then in that case, that particular cooperative society need not get it audit done under the income tax audit. Everyone crystal clear? Yes. Okay. Is tax audit report is a substitute to the reports and certificates under section 80 IA, IB, etc.? No. tax audit report is not a substitute to the reports of certificate under ATIA and IB, because these are the special deductions. So no, they are the independent requirement of the tax audit. So they are not the substitute. Are you getting the clear? Are you getting the clear point of view? Yes. Assessee has disclosed an income less than 100 crores, but assessing officer is of the opinion that the turnover is more than 100 lakhs. Can the tax audit be conducted? Now listen to this very carefully. You are declaring as an assessee, that your income is less than 100 crores. Sorry, your turnover is less than 100 crores. But assessing officer is saying that your turnover is more than 100 crores. Your turnover is more than 100 crores. Now, in that case, tax audit is required or not required? Tell me, everyone. You are declaring that your turnover is less than 100 crores, but assessing officer declares that your turnover is more than 100 crores. Whether tax audit can be ordered? No, tax audit cannot be ordered. Tax audit is always going to place upon the turnover declared by the assessee, not by the assessing officer. Remember one thing, if the assessing officer is having any doubt, he has to make use of section number 140 subsection 2A. He has to make the use of section number 140 subsection 2A, take the permission of the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax or Commissioner of Income Tax. After taking the permission from the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax or the Commissioner of Income Tax, then only he can put the audit on you. Then only he can put the investigation on you. Remember one thing, assessing officer cannot put the tax audit. Tax audit is always based upon the turnover declared by the assessee, not the assessing officer. Everyone crystal clear? Write CC in the chat box if you all understood. Write CC in the chat box if you all understood the provisions. Don't worry, I will complete tax audit by taking 2-3 classes extra. Okay, next everyone. Penalties for not submitting the tax audit. Everyone, can you tell me what is a penalty for not submitting the tax audit? It is 5.5% on your turnover. It is 0.5% on your turnover or 1.5 lakhs, whichever is lower. What is the penalty? 0.5% on turnover or 1.5 lakhs, whichever is lower. Everyone, try to remember that. And in case non-submission of tax audit report on time is due to the uncontrollable reasons, in that case penalties will not be imposed. Clear everyone? Yes? Okay, chalo, next point. Now, what are those reasonable cases? Under which the tribunal or courts can accept the reasonable delay? Suppose your tax audit has resigned and consequent delay has taken place. Suppose interpretation of the term turnover was not correctly interpreted by you. Suppose the death or the physical inability of the partner in charge. Your partner in charge of accounts got dead or he is physically unable to give you the books of accounts on time. Labor problems, suppose such as strikes and lockouts are coming. Loss of accounts because of the fire and theft due to the natural reasons, and non-availability of the accounts on the account of seizure or commotion or natural calamities, etc. So if any of these reason is there, then the tribunal or court may accept your reason for delay and the penalty will not be imposed. Everyone crystal clear? Yes, everyone? Right? These are the reasons, you have to keep it in mind. If any of these reason is there, no penalty will be imposed, right? No penalty will be imposed. Now, what is the term turnover? Now, tell me one thing. I will ask you some questions. Please tell me. In the turnover, what are the things to be added? What are the things not to be added? Tell me about cash discount. I'm waiting for your answer. Tell me about the cash discount. Cash discount is required to be adjusted or not? No, ignore. Tell me about the trade discount. To be adjusted or not to be adjusted? Kavita, you are writing add. Yeah. No, Kavita, we don't have to add it. We don't have to do anything. Cash discount not to be deducted. Trade discount to be deducted. Okay, sales return, everyone. To be deducted. Sales return also to be deducted. trade discount to be deducted. If the GST is included in the turnover, don't do anything. If the GST is included in the turnover, don't do anything. Are you getting the point? If the GST is separately given, then it's fine. If the GST is separately given, then it's fine. Now you can see that. Now everyone see, the term turnover of the purchase of this clause may be interpreted to mean the aggregate amount for which the sales are affected. The GST are included. If the GST are included in the sale price, no adjustment in respect there should be made for considering the quantum of turnover. If the GST is already included in the turnover, no adjustment is required. Trade discount can be deducted from the sales, but not the commission allowed to the third party. If however the GST recovered are credited separately to the excise duty or credited separately to the GST account, then and the payments to authority are debited in the same account, they would not be included in the turnover. If it is already included in the turnover, don't do any adjustment. If it is separately given, then in that case, ignore them. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Acha, everyone please tell me, sales return of previous years, can we adjust the sales return of previous years, last years, from the current year turnover? Waiting for your answer. Sales returns of previous years are required to be adjusted from the turnover or not required to be adjusted from the turnover? Yes, we can deduct. Very nice. Who has given the answer? Palki. Very nice. We can deduct the sales return of the previous years, everyone. Clear everyone? So please hit the like button if you are understanding everything. Like that, I will try my level best to complete each and every topic of tax audit. Today, tax audit session 1. After 25th October, tax audit session 2, tax audit session 3 along with the GST audit. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Okay. Chalo, next point. Now these are the things which you have to read. Discount allowed in the sales invoice will be reduced. It will be reduced. Discount allowed will be reduced. Cash discount, ignore. Cash discount, ignore. But if the cash discount is given in the sales invoice, then you have to deduct. Generally, cash discount we have to ignore, but if the cash discount is included in the sales invoice, then you have to deduct. Okay, turnover discount, if it is a part of the sales, then you have to deduct. Turnover discount, if it is a part of the sale, you have to deduct. Then trade, what is the next point? Special rebate allowed to the customer can be deducted. Special rebate also required to be deducted. What are the things required to be deducted? That list I am telling you. Are you getting the point? Price of goods return should be deducted from the figure of turnover even if the returns from the sale made in the earlier years. So yes, deduct. Sales return are also required to be deducted. Sale proceeds of the fixed assets would not form of the part of the turnover since these are not held for sale. So ignore. Sale proceeds of the fixed assets to be ignored. Sale proceeds of the investment property will not form. So therefore ignore. And sale proceeds of the any shares or certificate debentures held as an investment will not part of. However, if the shares and securities etc. held as stock in trade, then deduct. Are you getting the point? Sir, GST point once again. Now listen, Vinita. If the GST is already included in the turnover, then don't do any adjustment. If the GST is already included in the turnover, don't deduct the GST from the turnover. If GST is given separately in an account, then in that case, ignore them. Generally, as per the Caro, if the GST is included in the turnover, everyone please reply. As per the Caro, if the GST is included in the turnover, we have to reduce. And if it is given separately, we ignore. But in the turnover relating to tax audit, if the GST is included in the turnover, don't do any adjustment. But if the GST is separately given, then ignore. Everyone crystal clear? Please let me know. Everyone is crystal clear? Everyone is crystal clear? Yes, everyone? Chalo. Next point. So this is a list of items to be included in the turnover, items to be excluded in the turnover, items to be included in the turnover, items to be excluded in the turnover. So the whole list will be provided to you. Don't worry, in the next YouTube session, in the next part 2 of the tax audit, I'll make sure that I will give the PDF of this file. And anyways, this PDF of this file is available on the Unacademy platform. You go there and download it. Everything is there. Each and every chapter of mine is available over there with annotation, without annotations. Go there and download it. Don't worry at all. Okay, everyone. Chalo. So this is what is going to you. This is what you can do. Okay, everyone. Time for some questions. Are you ready for some questions? Everyone? Yes. Are you ready for some questions? Everyone, please let me know. DB Private Limited has a turnover of 125 lakhs. DB Private Limited is having a turnover of 125 lakhs. Is the tax audit under section 44AB is compulsory? DB Private Limited is having a turnover of 125 lakhs. Is the tax audit compulsory? Yes, because it's a company. Yes, it's a company. For the companies, there are no presumptive incomes. For the companies, there are no presumptive incomes. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. ABC and Co partnership firm engaged in trading of electronic goods having a turnover of 165 lakhs. ABC and Co engaged in the trading of electronic goods having a turnover of 165 lakhs. It's a partnership having a turnover of 165 lakhs. If it has declared, it has declared the income at the rate of 8%, then under section 44 AD it does not require. Why? Because the under section 44 AD, what is the limit, everyone? Section 44 AD, if it is declaring the presumptive income, everyone, what is the limit of section 44 AD? Yes, 2 crores. Now, is it up to 2 crores or not? 165 lakhs is up to 2 crores or not? Yes, 165 lakhs is up to 2 crores. If he is taking the benefit of 45 AD, 44 AD, presumptive income at the rate of 8%, then no 44 AB audit is required. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, everyone listen to this very, very carefully. Very, very carefully. Mr. Anand Khatar, a commission agent, has commission receipts of rupees 137 lakhs during the financial year. Everyone, there is one commission agent, Mr. Anand Khatar. He is having a commission receipts of 137 lakhs. Tell me, tax audit required or not required? Can he take 44 AD presumptive income benefit here? Yes, Neha, you are 120% correct. Commission income is not applicable in case of 44 AD, everyone. Tax audit is required. Tax audit is applicable, Ratna Kumari. Tax audit is applicable because commission income cannot be taken under the presumptive income. Clear, everyone? Yes, commission agent not eligible for 44 AD. Very nice, very nice. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, everyone. Vishal Raka, owing an agency of Samsung Mobile for the city of Pune and makes a turnover of 87 lakhs. He is having an agency of Samsung and having a turnover of 87 lakhs. Having the turnover of 87 lakhs, can he take 44 AD benefit? Can he take 44 AD benefit? Everyone, please give me the answer. Can Vishal Raka take a benefit of 44 AD? Everyone, he is having an agency of Samsung in the Pune and made a gross turnover of 87 lakhs. Give me the answer. I need an answer from everyone. Yes or no? No, because agency means commission only. Because agency means commission only. And commission is not covered under 44 AD. And his turnover is less than 1 crore. Therefore, 44 AB also not required. So, no 44 AD and no 44 AB required in case of Mr. Vishal. Everyone crystal clear? Yes. Everyone CC? Please write the answer. Yeah, tax audit also not applicable and presumptive income is also not applicable. Clear everyone? Okay. Now everyone, please let me know. Okay. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, whether the tax auditor can be removed, whether the tax auditor can be removed before the expiry of his term. Is section 140 applicable to the removal of tax auditor? Everyone, is section 140 is applicable to the tax auditor? Tell me everyone. Tax auditor removed before the expiry of the term. Is section 140 applicable to the tax auditor? No, no. Section number 140 is not applicable to the tax auditor. Section number 140 is under which act, everyone? Section number 140 is of which act, everyone? Tell me quickly. Section 140 covered under which act? It is covered under the Companies Act. And tax auditor is appointed under which act? He is appointed under the Income Tax Act. Therefore, not allowed. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Therefore, not allowed. So yes, you can remove the tax auditor, but remember one thing, with a reasonable justification. With a reasonable justification, you can remove. Are you getting the point? With a reasonable justification, you can remove. Clear everyone? So these are the petty questions. These are the petty questions which they may ask you in the examination. Okay. So tell me, what are the disqualifications of the tax auditor? The disqualifications of the tax auditor are very similar to the company audit. The disqualifications of the tax auditor are very similar, but in case of company audit, please tell me what was the limit for indebtedness. Please tell me everyone. सर इतना डिटेल्स में क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में? हाँ आता है पालकी. इट मे कम आफ्टर सीए फाइनल. देयर इज नथिंग. You are not supposed to learn anything after CA final. So CA final is a stage where the ICAI can exhaust you, ICAI can grill you in any manner. Okay, Companies Act में limit was 5 lakhs. Companies Act में limit was 5 lakhs. For the guarantees and securities, limit was 1 lakh. But here both the limits are 1 lakh only. That is the only difference. That is the only difference. In the company law, in the Companies Act, section number 141, indebtedness for more than 5 lakhs and indebtedness for securities and guarantees for more than 1 lakh, you are disqualified. But here in both the cases, it is 1 lakh, 1 lakh. That remaining everything is same, everyone. So see, indebtedness of 100,000 crore, that is for this thing, and indebtedness for 100,000 rupees for the normal case, and indebtedness for guarantees and securities 100,000. Everyone, instead of 5 lakhs it is 1 lakh. Clear everyone? Instead of 5 lakhs it is 1 lakh in both the cases. Instead of 5 lakhs it is 1 lakh in both the cases. Clear everyone? Right everyone? CC? Okay. Appointment of an auditor in case of non-payment of undisputed fees. Suppose the last year auditor left because his undisputed audit fees, which was which was taken care of by both the auditor and auditee, is not being paid. Whether the incoming auditor should join as an tax auditor? I need an answer, everyone. Last year auditor left your organization because there was non-payment of undisputed audit fees. In that case, whether the new auditor should join or should not join? Should join or should not join? No, incoming auditor should not join. Why? The reason is very simple. You will be guilty of professional misconduct under clause number 8 of. You will be guilty of professional misconduct under clause number 8 of part 1 of schedule 1 in the Companies Act. Yeah, very nice. If it is a sick unit, yes. If it is a sick unit, in that cases you can go for undercutting of the fees. Yes, in case of sick unit, that is your wish, that is your discretionary power. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? So guys, I already told you there are very bad climatic conditions in my state. I am from Hyderabad actually. So at any point of time, now also current is going to go and all. So you never know when the class may get shut down, but let me tell you one thing. I have already requested the Unacademy to give me some 4-5 classes extra, and I will try my level best to take 2 hours of session, and will make sure that most of the audit, I will make sure that you will be ready with my classes. Okay, everyone, do support me if the current goes, and do support me if any power cut is there, because that is not in my hand. Even my backup also is available for 2 to 3 hours only, as you know the power of inverter. Please, okay. So I will try my level best to take extra classes, even though they are not as per my schedule, but I will take some extra classes after 25th October for you people. Don't worry at all, leave it on me. I will make sure that you are going to get the maximum benefit out of my classes. Okay everyone, chalo, next point. What is the ceiling limit, everyone? What is the ceiling limit, everyone? What is the ceiling limit? Please tell me. How many tax audit a single chartered accountant can do? How many tax audit a single chartered accountant can do? 60 per partner. 60 per partner. Are you getting the point? 60 per partner. 60 tax audit. Firm for a partner, 60 tax audit per partner of the firm. But that partner should be a practicing CA. Now suppose I have a firm of 10 practicing CAs. I have a firm of 10 practicing CAs. What is the ceiling limit of my firm? What is the ceiling limit of my firm? Yes, 60 per partner. What is the ceiling limit of my firm? 10 practicing CAs, 600. 10 practicing CA, 600. Can one practicing partner sign all the 600 tax audit reports? I need an answer. Can one practicing partner can sign all the 600 tax audit reports? I need an answer. Yes or no? Yes, I can sign all. I can sign all. Okay. Chalo. Acha, tell me one thing. Tax audits of corporate and non-corporates will be included separately? Yes. 44 AD, 44 AE and 44 AF businesses, no tax audit under section 44 AB required. So if you are doing 44 AD, 44 AE, 44 AF, no 44 AB required. Remember one thing, that can also come in the examination. Yes, head office and branch audit will be considered separately or will be considered one. You are a head office tax auditor, you are a branch office tax auditor. You will be considered one or it will be considered separately? Yes, it will be considered as one. But limit is of 60 uses one. No. When you are a part of a firm, try to understand, Palki. When you are a part of a firm, you are not representing your individual capacity anymore. You are a part of the firm now. Now we are talking about the firm's limit. Everyone, did you understand, Palki? Did you understand, Palki? Okay. Signing the tax audit report doesn't mean that you are signing in your capacity. You are signing it on the behalf of the firm now. Yes. Okay. Part-time practice. Whether the part-time practicing CA can do the tax audit or can sign the tax audit report? Please give me the answer. Part-time practicing CA can do or cannot do? Cannot do. No. Okay, do you have to maintain the records of the tax audit assignments? Yes, as prescribed by the professional ethics, you have to maintain the cash ledger and the client's ledger. Are you getting the point or not? Ledger of your clients and cash register to be maintained, in which the tax audit also will be recorded. Clear, everyone? Yes. And that we already know. Removal of the auditor wala point. Acha, tell me one thing. Is tax audit a tax audit report or a tax audit certificate? Very important question. Everyone, please give me the reply. Is tax audit a report or certificate? I need an answer, everyone. Is tax audit a report or a certificate? Give me the answer. Everyone, give me the answer. Don't worry. Report. Everyone is saying report. Every one of you is wrong. It is a mix of both report as well as a certificate. Now listen to the logic. 3 CA and 3 CB form are tax audit report. 3 CA and 3 CB form are tax audit report, where you are expressing an opinion whether the company's financial statement, balance sheet and P&L and cash flow statement are depicting the true and fair view or not. So 3CA and 3CB are tax audit report because you are giving an opinion in them. But remember one thing, 3CD is that form where you do the certification of facts. So in that case, it is a mix of both. It is a report as well as a certificate. Everyone write CC if you all understood the concept. Hit the like button to the video if you think that this video is justifying your expectation. Hit the like button to the video if you think that this video is just. So if they will ask you in the examination, is tax audit a report or is tax audit a certificate, you are going to write it is mix of both. Because in the 3CA and 3CB, auditor expresses the opinion on the financial statement whether they are depicting true and fair view or not. That makes it a report. But in the 3CD, we attach the annexure of certification of the facts. Therefore, it is a certificate. So it's a mix of both report as well as a certificate. Thank you. Thank you so much, Palki. I hope I'll be able to meet your expectations like that. Do refer to your friends if you think that these classes are justifying your expectations. Okay, everyone? Chalo. So this is what the whole thing is being given. So I will make sure that the whole material will be shared along with you. Every day learning new point from your class, sir. I have learned so many new points today. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kavita. Thank you so much. It really matters a lot. Okay. Audit under other law and tax audit, that we already know. Now, if you are going to get audited under other law, 3CA, 3CD or 3CB, 3CD, you are getting audited under other laws also. Thank you so much, Vinita. Thank you so much, Kavita. That means a lot. Your feedbacks really means a lot. So everyone who is watching this video, please hit the like button to the video and share it with your friends to the maximum. Okay. 3CA. Very nice. Acha, my question is very simple. Whether the tax audit can be done before the statutory audit? Very simple question. Whether the tax audit be done before the statutory audit? Whether the tax audit can be done before the statutory audit? Answer is no. Why? Because in the tax audit, we attach the auditor's report of the statutory auditor. In the tax audit, we attach the auditor's report of the statutory auditor. Therefore, tax audit before the statutory audit is not possible. But in case you are unable to appoint the statutory auditor, or in case your statutory auditor is not available for whatever the reasons, then the tax auditor responsibility is he will first do the financial audit, statutory audit. After that, he will complete the tax audit. But tax audit will always come after the statutory audit. Everyone write CC if you understood the concept. Crystal clear? So remember, if the statutory auditor is not appointed or statutory auditor is not available, then in that case, tax auditor has the responsibility to conduct the both financial audit as well as the tax audit, so that because tax audit is only possible after the statutory audit. Everyone clear? Tax audit is only possible after the statutory audit. Everyone is clear, right? Yes, it will be 3CB. No. In this case, it will be 3CB. No. In this case, it will be 3CA because you are getting audited under Companies Act. Yeah, if it is not company, then it will be 3CB. Don't worry. Clear, everyone? Chalo. Very nice. Acha, can the tax audit report be revised? Can we revise the tax audit report? Generally, it is not allowed. But if the books of accounts are revised, we have to revise the tax audit also. If the books of account is revised, we have to revise the tax audit. If the revision of the books of account is taking place, or if there is a change of law due to the retrospective effect, or if there is a interpretation of the law. Clear, everyone? Yes, so there are 3 cases under which the tax audit be revised. Generally not allowed, but if there is a revision of accounts of company after its adoption in AGM, if there is a retrospective effect of change in law, and if there is a change in interpretation of the law. So these are the various things where the tax. And remember one thing, when we are issuing the revised tax audit, we have to mention the word called revised. And make sure that you are taking your earlier tax audit report getting surrendered by the management first. Clear everyone? CC everyone? Okay. Is tax auditor responsible if he does not complete the audit and give his report before the specified time? Remember one thing, if the tax auditor is unable to give the report before the specified time, he is not answerable to the tax authorities. He is not answerable to the income tax department. He is answerable to ICAI, that too if the client will make a complaint. Remember one thing, if you are unable to complete the tax audit before time, then in that case neither you are answerable to client, nor you are answerable to tax department, nor you are answerable to assessing officer. You are only answerable to the client if the client has made a professional misconduct or other misconduct complaint against you under the CA Act 1949. Clear everyone? Yes, professional ethics point will come. But suppose if it is attributable, if the delay is attributable due to the client, then tell me, is it my fault or client's fault? Is it my fault or client's fault? It is client's fault. Due to the client's fault, if I am unable to give the tax audit report on time, then in that case, client will be answerable. Clear everyone? Yes. Is tax auditor responsible if the assessee conceals the particulars of the income? Bring out the duties of an auditor in this regard. Remember one thing. Liability of the tax auditor and inspector of tax audit will be same as in other audit assignment. When any question relating to audit conducted by the auditor arises, he is answerable to the council. So if the tax auditor is able to, if the tax auditor is unable to take out the factual facts, then you already know clause number 5, clause number 6, clause number 7, clause number 8, clause number 9 of part 1 of schedule 2, you will be liable of professional misconduct. Sir, what is clause number 5? You are unable to give the material facts. What is clause number 6? You are unable to show the material misstatements. So what is clause number 7? Gross negligence. So what is clause number 8? Non-availability of SAAE. And what is clause number 9? You are unable to draw the attention from the material departure what you have done from the generally accepted auditing practices. Clear everyone? So in that case, if the auditor is unable to show the particulars of the income, unable to get it out, then it is a pure case of gross negligence everyone. So you will be answerable under CA Act to the ICAI council. Sir, ऐसे 240 लगेगा इस पे? Yes, ऐसे 240 भी लगेगा because he is unable to detect the frauds and errors. Yes, 240 भी लगेगा. Very nice Kavita, very nice. Yes, 240 भी आएगा. Clear. Very nice. And 315 भी आएगा because he is unable to assess the risk of material misstatement. But let me ask you a very simple thing, Kavita. Whether the essays are applicable to the tax auditor also? Whether essays are applicable to the tax auditor also? No, to the tax auditor we have income ICDS standards. For the tax auditor we have ICDS standards. So as per ICDS standards, I will be penalized. As per ICDS, income computation and disclosure requirement. Right or not? Okay. Tax audit of the branches, particularly the foreign branches. Tax audit of the branches, particularly the foreign branches. As you all know that foreign branches will be taken care of by the accountants of that foreign country only. Yes, they are applicable for tax audits of the foreign branches will be taken by the accountants of those foreign branches only. The accounts of the foreign branches are normally audited by the professional accountant overseas. The results of such branches are also incorporated in the consolidated accounts prepared in the country. In case of the foreign branches, the relevant information in respect of such branches are required in Form 3CD may be obtained by the tax auditor in India from the assessee, who should obtain the same from the overseas auditor who had audited the amount of such foreign branches. The tax auditor in India, while certifying the information in 3CD, may rely upon the information obtained by him from the overseas auditor. While submitting his consolidated report in 3CD, he should specifically point out his audit report as under. I or we have taken into consideration the audit report and the audited statements of accounts in particular received from the auditors appointed under the relevant law of the overseas branches not audited by me. So whenever you are adding the audit of the foreign branch in your 3CD report, make sure that you are writing this wording. This may come in the examination. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now, I hope you all understood the residual part of tax audit. Now, I hope you all understood the residual part of tax audit. Clear everyone? So let me show you 3CA. Let me show you 3CA, 3CB. After that, we'll do the 3CD. Okay, everyone? Let me show you 3CA, 3CB. After that, we'll do the 3CD, everyone. Okay? Okay, everyone, please see. This is what 3CA. So you can see the 3CA from the ICAI material I have taken up so that you can all understand what is 3CA basically. 3CA and 3CB is basically a report where the auditor is saying that we have obtained all the information and explanation, and according to us the balance sheet and the P&L as on this particular day is depicting true and fair view. Are you getting the point? So you can see that this is form 3CA. What is the format of the form number 3CA? You can see that I or we report that statutory auditors of Messrs ABC Limited and name and address of the assessee with the permanent account number was conducted in pursuance of the provision of the Income Tax Act. We annex thereto understood the audit report dated this. We audited the P&L or income expenditure and we audited the balance sheet on this date. Documents declared by the said to be part annexed the P&L and income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Statement of particulars required to be furnished under 44AB is annexed herewith in 3CD. And in our opinion and to the best of our knowledge, the P&L and balance sheet are depicting true and fair view. And if you have any modifications, you are going to write your reasons of modifications here. And here is your signature, seal, and full address, place and address. That's it. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? So this is the basically format which the ICAI has provided you so that you can understand what is the difference between 3CA, 3CB and 3CD, everyone. Clear everyone? I hope everyone is understood. Yes, so now let us see what is 3CB. What is 3CB? Same 3CB is also like that. 3CB is also like that. We have examined the balance sheet on this date. We have examined the balance sheet of this date and P&L of this date ending. And if we certified that balance sheet, we certify. Can you see the word? Can you see the word? We certify that balance sheet and P&L expenditure are in agreement with the books of accounts at the head office and the branches. We report the following observation, comments and discrepancies, if any. We have obtained all the information and explanation given to our knowledge. In our opinion, the all books of accounts. Section number 143, subsection 3, if you remember, all those points you have to add it over here. We also that in our opinion, to the best of our knowledge, true and fair review on the balance sheet and on the P&L. Don't worry, they are not going to ask you these formats in the examination. Yeah, 3CA is for the company. Yes, mostly. 3CA is for the companies and for the other than companies, it is 3CB. Very nice. Very nice, correct. Right? So remember one thing, this is 3CA and 3CB, everyone. This is 3CA and 3CB, everyone in front of you. Now I'm only left with in telling you what is 3CD on the basis of which so many questions they may ask you in the examination. So many questions. So many questions they may ask you in the examination. So I think now it is a major thing we have to start. So as you know that I'm left with only 3-4 minutes only to continue. I will try my level best to make sure that 8-9 clauses I will tell you, in total of 42 clauses. So all the 8-9 clauses I will tell you, and after that, after 25th October. So first let me write my schedule, how we are going to proceed. So after 25th October, I will take 3 to 4 YouTube sessions. I will take 3 to 4 YouTube sessions. Why? Because up to 25th October, everyone's schedule is packed. In that, I will take care of your tax audit again. Why? Because we are unable to complete it today. In that, I will take your GST audit also. In that, I will take your due diligence, investigations and forensic audit also. And remember one thing, 600 series I have already completed yesterday. and quality review, we are going to meet on Unacademy app tomorrow at 5:30. Are you getting the point? So from my side, quality review on 600 was pending. 600 done yesterday. Quality review will be done to will be doing it tomorrow. And after 25th October, I will be taking one more session on tax audit, one session on GST audit, and one session on due diligence and investigation and forensic audit. Now, after this YouTube session, we still have 4 sessions, everyone. We still have 4 sessions. 2 sessions, I'm going to teach you the whole professional ethics. 2 sessions where I'm going to cover 16 marks for you people. And in the last 2 sessions, there will be a mega MCQ quiz and question quiz. I can ask you anything. So last 2 sessions, that is on 23rd and 25th, I'm going to ask you some mega quizzes on everything. Everyone crystal clear? Sir, please guide how to revise 1.5 day audit. Sir, it is not possible for me to revise entire audit in the span of 1.5 days. Audit committee and corporate governance also, please. Yeah, don't worry. You tell anything. Everything I will do. Audit committee and corporate governance. If you really want the session on audit committee and corporate governance, I think audit committee and corporate governance session is already be taken on Unacademy. Audit committee and corporate governance session is already available on Unacademy Palki. You can go there and write down CA Rohit Grover. Special classes will come. In that you will find audit committee and corporate governance. It is already done. हाँ ऐप पे है Yes, Palki, it is already available on app. And definitely I will take one session ki what to do in that 1.5 days. Yeah, 3 lectures on Unacademy. Yes, it is there on the app. It is already there. Thank you so much, Purva. It matters a lot. Your feedbacks matters a lot. It really pushes us to, give you the best in every manner. Thank you so much. So if you want the audit committee and corporate governance, it is already on Unacademy app. So tax audit and GST audit and due diligence, investigation, forensic audit. Sir, bank audit, please, if time permits. Yes, bank audit. Yes, bank audit actually. I can take NBFC audit in 1 hour. Bank audit will be little bit difficult. Bank audit will be little bit difficult because it's little bit huge. NBFC I can take, no issues. Bank audit also we can take, but I will try my level best. Don't worry. I will try my level best to complete all those topics. Sir, insurance audit. Okay. Sure, definitely. I'll try to take it. So everyone, I'll see you after 25th for the second lecture of tax audit. So our second lecture on tax audit will be after 25th October. Okay, everyone. And next YouTube session is day after tomorrow. We are meeting for professional ethics. Day and the next YouTube session again will be the professional ethics, and last 2 YouTube sessions will be on MCQ. So 19th we are meeting for professional ethics part 1. 21 we are meeting for professional ethics part 2. 23rd we are meeting for MCQ mega quiz, and 25th we are meeting for MCQ mega quiz. After that, these 4 topics what you have asked me, I will take it separately. By asking the YouTube authority some 4 to 5 lectures to give me extra. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Don't worry. I'll try my level best to tell you each and everything in bank audit. Don't worry. So thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you guys in the day after tomorrow's class on the YouTube for professional ethics. And tomorrow at Unacademy app at 5:30 live. We are meeting for the quality review, everyone. We are meeting for what? Quality review, everyone. Clear, everyone? Chalo, bye, everyone. Thank you so much. Hit the like button before leaving. Make sure that you are sharing this video with your friends, okay? And subscribe to myself on Unacademy app. And if you will use Grover 10, Grover in the capital actually. If you use Grover 10, you will get the 10% discount on the Unacademy app also, okay? everyone. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Unacademy app for the quality review, and day after tomorrow on the YouTube session for what is it, professional ethics. Remaining part of tax audit is due on me. After 25th October, I'll ask see 3-4 sessions extra from them, and accordingly I'll do the needful. Okay, bye everyone.